Imagine the next generation of e-bike solutions and set them in motion with CCL Design. Upgrade your product with our full suite of e-bike brand enhancements, functional components, and security products. Showcase your unique brand identity with cutting-edge branding and decoration, custom-made for your bike model. Revolutionise your e-bike with our interactive functional solutions that enhance connectivity and enable touch control for an effortless and synchronised user experience. CCL Design has engineered an illuminating battery indicator which displays a clear view of the e-bike's level of charge. We have developed a range of products to reinforce brand protection and product piracy, along with highly durable bonding solutions and AR packaging innovations for next level brand enhancement. With our long-standing record of global innovation and technical expertise, CCL Design is racing ahead and developing the solutions of the future, giving you a clear competitive advantage. The full e-bike solution from CCL Design.